Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your current Windows version and freeing 20 to 25 GB of space. This prevents installer failures. Once done, make a full image backup to an external drive so you can restore files if anything goes wrong. Then run the Windows 10 Media Creation tool and choose Upgrade this PC now to start. Make sure to select Keep Personal Files and Apps in the options. This tells the installer to preserve data while replacing system files. You'll see several automated steps. Follow prompts and explicitly choose Keep Personal Files and Apps. This is crucial. While the files transfer, unplug printers and non-essential USB devices to avoid driver stalls and keep the laptop on AC power to prevent interruptions. If asked, sign in with or link your Microsoft account so the digital license attaches to your hardware. Pause only if an error appears. Otherwise, let the installer run through multiple reboots until it reaches the desktop. You finish by running Windows Update and installing updated device drivers so hardware behaves correctly. Once on the desktop, verify documents, photos, and app settings. Use Disk Cleanup to remove install files and free space. If something went wrong, missing files or boot issues, boot to Windows Recovery, try Startup Repair, or restore your system image. Safe mode can help remove conflicting drivers. Make sure to keep that external backup until you're fully satisfied and everything is confirmed intact.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.